Good morning, fabulous fourth graders. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to install two fantastic Chrome extensions called Snap and Read and CoWriter. If you have not used these Chrome extensions before, they are amazing tools that will help you to read your assignments out loud and write your assignments. All right, so let's go ahead and go to this little puzzle piece up here at the top of your Chrome extension toolbar here. Once you see this little drop down, you're going to come all the way down to the bottom where it says Manage Extensions. Then we're going to come over here to the left-hand side, these three lines. You'll have another drop down, and we're going to select Open Chrome Web Store. Now that we're in the web store, we're going to come up here to the search bar and we're going to type in Snap and Read. And we're going to search. Snap and Read looks just like this. It has a little gear with two little sound waves coming off. You're going to select that and we're going to click Add to Chrome. You'll get a pop-up that says, would you like to add Snap and Read? We're going to select Add Extension because yes, we do want to add it. It's now downloading. It's checking, downloading, and we'll get this confirmation that it has been added and we can close that. Then we're going to click back here, right where it says Extensions. So we can go back to the web store. And now we're going to search for CoWriter. And we see CoWriter, it's blue, it has a little thought bubble. Let's click on that one and let's also click Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension just like before. Hey, it says CoWriter has been added to Chrome. Fantastic. Now we can close out this window. We can close out this extension. And I'm going to open up a new tab. All right, so if you notice, it did not automatically add those two extensions here into my Chrome toolbar here, or my extensions toolbar. So we're going to click on that puzzle piece again, and I'm going to find CoWriter. Notice how my little pin button is not highlighted. If I highlight it, it will add it to my little toolbar here. And then I can do the same with Snap and Read. I can add it to my little toolbar. If you have other things up here that you do not want to be up here, you can just go ahead and unpin those extensions. But these are extensions that I use fairly often, so I'm going to leave those there. All right, once you're ready to use those extensions, you can just click on them, select to turn it on. Do the same here, select to turn it on. And then I will be giving you a second video that tells you how to use the extension. So look out for that video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.